Hey everybody, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the Tusk Folding Glass Windshield for the 2019 and newer Polaris XP 1000. All right, so today we're taking a closer look at this folding full glass windshield from Tusk for the 2019 and newer Polaris XP 1000. Now, when it comes to windshields, there's a lot of things you got to consider, a lot of different options that are out there. What material do you want? Do you want glass? Do you want polycarbonate? What size do you want? Do you want a half? Do you want a full? And do you want your windshield to be able to fold down for those times that you don't want it up? So there's a lot of different options, but this folding glass windshield is ideal for those riders that want a premium glass windshield that's going to offer great features, great low price, but also have some versatility, because just like the name says, this windshield will fold completely down and out of the way for those times that you don't want it. Now, being a glass windshield, this is top of the food chain when it comes to these, so you're going to make more of an investment here than say over polycarbonate, but there's definitely some features and benefits to glass that we really like. One of them is durability. This is laminated safety auto glass. So it's the same type of glass that you have on your car or your truck's windshield, which means you're gonna have great durability. You're not gonna have pitting like sometimes polycarbonate will do over time. Also, just when you look through this, it just has a nice crisp image to it. And when it comes to scratching, being that auto glass, it's gonna be very scratch resistant, much more scratch resistant than polycarbonate. So there's definitely some benefits to having glass on there. Another feature I love about this windshield, the glass does have a slight tint to it. Now it's not so much that when you're riding at nighttime, you're gonna have a hard time seeing through, but on today's like today, where it is super bright and sunny, there's no cloud cover at all, it's just gonna offer a little bit of relief for the rider's eyes. So that's the benefits of having glass. Let's talk about the rest of the windshield. So you can see the outer part of this windshield, it's laser cut powder coated steel, so it is super strong. When it comes to the mounting, very simple. It honestly doesn't take you long at all. All the mounting hardware, all the brackets are gonna come included. You don't have to do any modification to the front of your machine. Now for the windshield to be able to fold down, you do have these brackets here that mount to the front. These will require you to drill in, but all the hardware you're gonna need to secure though, that's gonna come included. Now when it comes to a full windshield, this is very important. Obviously it's gonna block the wind extremely well. It's gonna keep any debris or any materials from possibly flying into the cab. But in certain situations, you still want that full windshield to be able to vent. So that's a nice feature that they put on this. So you see right down here at the bottom, you've got this vent. So you can operate this from the inside, very simple to do. It's adjustable. So depending on how much airflow you want to come in, you can just adjust it to where you want it and then tighten it down. So you still get some airflow coming in if you want. So that's gonna help combat some fogging. If you are getting a little bit warm on a warmer day, well, let some airflow come in. But for those times that you just don't want a windshield on and you want to get as much airflow as possible, that's what's awesome about this windshield. It's folding. So to fold it down, very simple. It honestly just takes a couple of seconds. You've got these two fastening knobs, one on each side. You're just going to loosen those. Once you have those undone, fold the windshield down until it rests on these brackets. You're going to see you have these rubber stoppers here. That's going to eliminate any vibration or rattling. Secure those in place using the same fastening knobs. And voila, your windshield is folded down, you got all that airflow coming through, and your windshield is going to stay nice and secure. Now, some riders might ask, well, when it's folded down, is it really that secure? Can I do more aggressive riding when it's down? The answer is yes. I've ridden with this folded down over the hood. It stays in place really well. There's no vibration, no rattling. When it's in the up position, same thing. It stays in place well. It's so sturdy and rigid that you don't have to worry about vibration or any rattling. It stays super quiet. Now, last thing I want to point out is up here on the top, you've got this wiper blade. We have this installed. This does not come included, but you can pick it up. The partner will just be right on the product page. But I definitely recommend when it comes to a full windshield, get a wiper blade on there. That way, if it's getting pretty dusty or if you do get caught in some rain, having that wiper blade makes it so much easier to keep your windshield clean, so you always have good visibility. So again, if you're looking for a premium glass windshield that's got great features, great price, and it folds down completely out of the way, this is an awesome route. If you guys have any other questions or comments, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. But don't forget, machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year to ensure that you get the windshield that's going to have proper fitment for your machine. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.